What's up, drone enthusiasts? We've got our hands on a serious contender in the enthusiast market, the new V186 Pro Drone. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a fully featured aerial platform, blending professional-grade optics with beginner-friendly intelligence. It's got a brushless motor, an 8K camera system, and a flight range that might surprise you. Let's dive in. Unrivaled safety, 540-degree obstacle avoidance. First, let's talk safety. This drone features a cutting-edge 540-degree intelligent obstacle avoidance system, OAS. That means the obstacle avoidance head automatically senses obstacles in nearly all directions, forward, back, and sides. If the V186 Pro detects a potential collision, it doesn't just send you a warning, it automatically avoids the obstacle or simply hovers in place. This feature is an absolute lifesaver for new pilots and provides peace of mind when flying through complex environments. 8K multifocal optics. Now for the highlight, the camera. The V186 Pro doesn't just stop at high resolution, it's engineered for cinematic creativity. You are getting 8K image quality that delivers movie-level high-definition output. To keep that stunning footage smooth, it employs EIS intelligent anti-shake, ensuring your dynamic, high-speed moments are captured without unwanted blur or jitter. But the real magic is the multifocal 3-shot system. This flagship triple-camera design includes dual telephoto cameras, allowing for flexible and free composition that shows diverse perspectives in a single flight. You also get an HD electronically adjustable lens with 90-degree vertical adjustment, a 120-degree wide angle, and a powerful 50x digital zoom to bring those distant shots right to you. Plus, the dual-angle switching feature lets you seamlessly swap between the front camera and the bottom optical flow vision lens for different viewpoints mid-flight. Extended flight and smart control. Powering this machine is a reliable 3.7V 2000 mAh modular battery, giving you up to 22 minutes of use time. This is plenty of time to explore the drone's maximum control distance of a staggering 3,000 meters, that's 3 kilometers. In terms of flight stability, the optical flow positioning hovering keeps the drone as stable as a rock, whether you are flying indoors or battling light winds outdoors. And for the ultimate creative shot, just activate the Follow Me function via the app, lock onto your target, and the drone will automatically track you and begin aerial photography, keeping you perfectly centered in the frame. Finally, the whole package is incredibly portable. Weighing only 660 g and featuring a smart, 3-dimensional classic folding design, the V186 Pro can be easily held with one hand when folded, making it the perfect travel companion. The V186 Pro truly offers a professional experience in a highly portable and user-friendly package. What impressive subject would you film first with that 50x zoom? Let me know in the comments.